Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Aternos Server 24/7 for free. But the question is it possible? So if you want to know the answer, just keep on watching. So Ternas is a free Minecraft server hosting service that provides servers for free, but they are not intended to be online 24/7. A Ternas server are designed to be turned off when not in use to accommodate the high demand for their free service. So if you're looking to have a Minecraft server that is online 24/7 for free, you might need to consider other options, such as hosting the server on your own hardware or using alternative hosting services. Okay, so the question for the answer is it is not possible. So what you can do is to consider other options. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few suggestions. So first, self-hosting. You can host a Minecraft server on your own computer or a dedicated machine at home. However, keep in mind that this requires technical knowledge, a powerful enough computer, a stable internet connection, and a willingness to keep the server running consistently. Free hosting services. There are other free Minecraft server hosting services available that might offer more flexible options for having a server online 24/7. Some of these services might include limitations or restrictions, so be sure to research and choose a reputable provider. Paid hosting services. If you're serious about having 24/7 Minecraft server with better performance and reliability, you might consider investing in a paid hosting service. There are various hosting providers that offer different plans based on your needs and budget. Next, use Aternos efficiently. While Aternos is not designed for 24/7 uptime, you can optimize your usage by having a schedule for when the server is online. Coordinate with your friends or players to have specific times when the server is active, and turn it off when it is not in use to save resources. Keep in mind that running a server 24/7, especially if it becomes popular, may require some level of investments to ensure a stability, performance, and a good experience for players. And that's it for this video. So if you follow all of the steps, you should be able to make a Eternus server 24/7 for free or knows the things that you can do. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.